While SLAs help define response time expectations, there was no clear visibility into performance. So we've added a dashboard to bring all of that into one place, giving you clear visibility into response times, SLA adherence, and overall performance trends. Let's learn how to use it. First, head to the Analytics tab inside the Conversation section. Select a time range and review the overview for overall SLA performance. Use the Trend Chart dropdown to switch metrics. Analyze user and channel reports. Use sorting and filters to drill into specific insights. This feature helps you aggregate relevant data and visualize how many messages meet or breach SLAs, making it easier to pinpoint where improvements are needed by breaking down performance at a user and channel level. You can now measure how well conversation SLAs are being met with the new SLA Performance Dashboard, which simplifies improvements and makes it easy to reward or correct your team as needed. We hope you enjoy it.